Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to align text boxes on your PDF file vertically using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file. Now click on this edit option and here you will find this edit option and select edit text already selected and check here. Now click on this text box and select another one. Press Ctrl key for your keyboard and hold it and click on this text box. And this two of these text boxes now selected. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and here you will find this alignment option and this align vertical center and see this. Also you can align this text box only vertical center of this page and see this and undo it. Again click on the right button for the mouse cursor align and center page vertical also and see this and also align these two text boxes and this right sidebar. Here you will find this alignment option and this align vertical and see this and this vertical center page see this and in this way we can align vertically text boxes on your PDF file and finally select this file option save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.